Hypertension refers to a chronic angiopathy all over the body. The main manifestations are headache, dizziness, tinnitus and insomnia, and etc. Hypertension can bring disturbance of blood circulation and dangerous complications. Holographic meridian scraping therapy can be used to improve syndrome rapidly, relieve headache and dizziness, and lower blood pressure. It is impossible that blood pressures will go down to lower than normal due to the dual regulation of the meridian. Neither will the blood pressure of healthy people go down after scraping. Before scraping, the patient's arterial blood pressure reached 147/83 mmHg. Rigorously scrap middle region of the forehead. Region 1 and 2 lateral to forehead from the pupil upwards the hairline. Scrap rigorously the posterior 1/3 of vertex region. Scrapped points.
头部刮拭经穴有头鳞器、风池、太阳、百会、风府、血压点、肩颈、大椎、肺腧、心腧、曲池、长强、风室、足三里、太溪、太冲。
Scrap Taiyang point from the upper to the lower or from the anterior to the posterior. Using scraping comb, scrap the posterior parts of the head, and scraping should be applied mainly at GV20. Scrap G15 to G20, and scraping should be applied mainly at G20. Scrap the corresponding region of the head on the cervical vertebra from 血压点 to G21 point. With board scraping, scrap GV14 to GV1 separately. Paying attention to weak patient, scrap gently and limit the scraping time. Scrap bilateral B13 to B15 and G31, S36, K3 and LRV3. Using reinforcement manipulation, scrap the corresponding region of the kidney. Scrap JRG points and LI11 on the arm using the corner of plate. Knead the heart point on the second metacarpal bone, and scrap the root of middle finger. Scrap the sole, and scraping should be applied mainly at the heart point on the sole. Scrap groove for lowering blood pressure. After scraping, the blood pressure returns to normal.